Welcome to beautiful Foster City. We are touring an amazing house today that is 5 beds, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and comes with its own boat docking section. This house is 2.5 million. When you first step into this house, you are greeted with the sitting room, the outside patio with the lagoon, the dining room, a peek of the kitchen, another sitting room, in a bathroom, half bathroom at that, which is to the right of the main door. You guys, I fell in love with this bathroom from the unique sink to the different varieties of colors, grays, browns to that pebble wall. The attention to detail was phenomenal. Turning around from the bathroom, we're going to go down that hallway that leads to the first bedroom this house has to offer. I love that this bedroom has a walk-in closet and plenty of space, and they have a bathroom inside of the room. Unfortunately and oddly, there is no privacy to this bathroom. I can see the toilet. There is a door to go to the outside patio. What is going on here? Standing in the bedroom, I adore the shutter blinds, the cathedral ceilings, the light fixtures in the ceilings. I just adore the overall space that this room has to offer. Continuing down the hallway, we have found the office space. I'm so excited that this house has one because I always wanted me, my spouse, or my kids to have a space where they can solely get work done. Directly across from the office was another full bathroom. I adore the his and her sinks. I love the simple mirrors they chose to go with and the simple light fixtures. I'm nosy. Let's see what the shower looks like. All right, so we're working with a bathtub and a shower head, so that is a bonus. And they have a decent sized toilet. Did somebody say a laundry room? Yes, they did, and I am super excited because I love having a designated space to put all my cleaning supplies. Ta-da! We are standing in our third bedroom. It looks like it has decent closet space. I don't want to open it because people still live here. I love the unique glass shelves right there, and to the right, this room has its own nook with additional shelves, cabinet space, and as we keep turning, guess what? Even more closet space. I love that this is an area for children to get their homework done, and I just know my kids gonna argue over who room this is. With a quick hop, skip, and a leap, we are standing in the kitchen. It has a small corner nook right here that I completely adore. 2 doors that lead to the outside patio. You get a nice view of the lagoon, and I love the island. This door is also in the kitchen on the other side of the fridge, and it leads to the lagoon where your boat is docked. With a little trust and pixie dust, we are now on the second level of this home, which overlooks the sitting area. And surprise! The kids have an additional space up here where they can relax and have a bookshelf. This is now our fourth bedroom we are standing in, and this family had a set of twins and decided to give them this room. This next setup we are about to see is all about them, and it is very unique and different. All right, let's talk about it. This is the smallest closet space I've seen this home have to offer, and it's just sad. But I adore the theme of the bathroom. I love that the girls have a mini vanity set right there if they wanted to do their makeup. This bathroom has a his and her sink. It has really good lighting. It has a ton of cabinet space. The theme gives very much mermaid. And I love the color blue. It's very girly if you ask me. The most interesting part about this bathroom is that it comes with 2 separate shower heads and there is no privacy. There is no doors separating them, no curtains, and that is very interesting to me. Ready for it? Surprise! This is actually where they put their hamper, which is genius. I love that it's inside the bathroom. And of course, they have additional cabinet space. You can never go wrong with this. Oh my God, he scared me. On the contrary, though, they do have a toilet space and it is private. Thank God. As we enter the final bedroom, bedroom number 5, I love the cathedral ceilings again, but because they're so low, that means the closets are pretty low as well, but they do go all the way across, and that's really cool. I didn't get to show you guys the staircase earlier, so this is what it looks like. It's right by the kitchen and right behind the additional sitting room. That right door is the garage. Please excuse their mess, but the garage is super spacious. I love that it has a working table. Easy for my husband to get his tools in here and get work done on our cars if needed. Turning right around from the garage, I am excited. I found another closet door right underneath the staircase, and we never turned down additional storage space. Okay, you remember that door that was in the kitchen? This one that we're standing at? We are going to go through that door, which has a doggy hole. I wanted to show you guys the beautiful lagoon. This city is full of them, and you see planes flying across in the beautiful blue sky all the time because SFO is so close.